How do I use the WPS button on my router to connect to the internet?
Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to cover how to use the WPS button on your router to connect to the internet. WPS, or Wi-Fi Protected Setup, is a feature that allows you to easily connect your devices to your Wi-Fi network without needing to manually enter a password.
What is WPS?
Before we begin, it's essential to know what we're dealing with. WPS stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It's a feature present in most modern routers, designed to simplify the process of connecting devices to the network. Instead of manually entering your Wi-Fi password on a new device, you can simply press the WPS button on your router and enable WPS on your device to get it connected.
Locating the WPS button on your router.
Your first step is to locate the WPS button on your router. It's usually labeled as WPS and can be found on the front or back of the router. If you can't find it, consult your router's manual or look for it online, as the location might differ based on the router's make and model.
How to use the WPS button.
Once you've located the WPS button, here's how to use it to connect your device. 1. Press the WPS button on your router. This will activate WPS mode, which typically lasts for a couple of minutes. During this time, your router is open to connect with devices using WPS. 2. Go to the device that you want to connect, such as your smartphone or laptop. Open the Wi-Fi settings on that device. 3. Find the option for WPS connection. This could be labeled as Connect with WPS, WPS push button, or something similar. The naming may vary depending on the device you're using. 4. Enable the WPS connection. Your device will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi network without needing to input the password. Remember, the WPS mode on your router only lasts for a short time, typically 2 minutes, so you'll need to activate WPS on your device fairly quickly after pressing the WPS button on your router. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the WPS button on your router to connect a device to the internet. It's a simple, fast, and efficient method, especially useful when you have guests or when connecting devices that don't have an easy way to enter a password. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy surfing, and see you in the next video.